The first time I brought out the Rover after finishing the design, I took it to my favorite skate spot. I just made this new board, was ready to go. It was just me and it was perfect. Felt like I was on top of the world, waiting to drop in.
121C Boards is a lot more than just a skateboard company. It's a prototype to solve an industry-wide problem, in fact a global problem of carbon fiber waste disposal. We'd really like to thank those people that supported us with the first Kickstarter last summer, which allowed us to go a lot further, a lot quicker than we thought.
During the production of the aileron, we noticed that we were still generating a small amount of scrap, and so we decided to put that material to good use. That's when I knew we had it. This was the board we were about to start making.
We really began to see that we wanted to engineer a board that was totally different.
It's a time-consuming process. We start with one iteration, go back, change it again. We wanted to make it sleek and stark. Kind of had it looking like a missile.
It's got those sharp, angular features that make you think of an aggressive aircraft. But there's a lot of purpose behind that engineering.
We knew we had to put a hole in the board because we wanted people to be able to lock it up.
We wanted to have a shape that relayed and conveyed its origin as an aerospace product.
We ended up sweeping that hole back and giving it a slight curve on one side and a hard angle on the other, turning it into more of an aerodynamic shape.
It all starts with processing. We get the shipments of scraps of material and we cut it to length and width, then kit it, load it into the press, and then take it out to the water jet cutter.
Each board that we make gets water jet cut to an incredible tolerance. Within 5,000ths of an inch, an 80,000 psi stream of water comes and blasts the material out of the way. What you're left with is a perfectly cut, symmetrical skateboard.
From the water jet cutting to the pressing to the trucks, we have carefully engineered every aspect of the board to give you the highest performance.
We really focused on stability. The Rover is really the stablest small board on the market.
The carbon fiber composite is huge. It allowed us to make the board smaller, thinner, lighter. We have a new, tighter wheelbase. It gives you that great handling. Wheels very nimble and light. This board represents the passion and innovation of 121C.
It's light, it's smooth, it's unlike any other board.
It's far higher quality material than you can get in any consumer product.
When we finally finish our board, it's like emerging from a cave. Felt like I was on top of the world, and then I dropped in on it.
It's a whole new way of approaching skate. For those of us that love the art of engineering, this is the board for us.
After iteration and iteration, we're finally ready to bring what we brought to the Kickstarter last time, and we're really happy with how it turned out.
I really want to thank everybody who supported us in that first Kickstarter effort. That was fantastic. You helped us build a production facility that lets us deliver boards on a daily basis to everybody that orders them, and is letting us bring out this exciting new product, the Rover, which is going to make carbon fiber affordable to all skaters.